So once you turn your Amazing Amy doll on, your timer should look like that, 7 a.m. or so. And as long as your wires aren't ripped, which I'm going to show you how to fix in the video, this will work. So I hold the right hand and it says 8, 6, 7, and it keeps rotating. So then I squeeze the left hand and it keeps changing from minute to left or right to left. So I'm going to squeeze the right hand, and I don't exactly have this figured out, but if I squeeze the left hand and then hit the right hand, it goes from like different things. So I got it to go to the 3s by doing that. Let me see if I can get it to do it. I'm holding it for like 5 seconds, 6, I think it was 7 seconds. So I'm squeezing the right hand right now, and then I'm gonna let go. There, it went to 2. So now I'm gonna change that with the right hand. I need to get to 4, and then I'm gonna hit the left hand, and then the right hand. It's 4:23. Left hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the time. Now I'm gonna squeeze the left hand and not let go, and I'm gonna squeeze the right hand at the same time, and it makes the doll's heart. Watch what's gonna happen. It's gonna like go crazy, and then she's gonna wake up. Let me see if I forgot how I did this. I'm gonna let go of the left hand.
It's 4:25.
It doesn't matter. 1 minute doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm still holding the right hand. It didn't do it. So I'm gonna squeeze the left hand again because I know this is the sequence or something. Let go of the right hand. There it goes. That did it right there.
Let's have
Now she woke up.
now.
And that's how you wake her up if everything is working correctly. If your wires are ripped, watch the video and continue on. I haven't exactly figured out how to make her go to sleep because you're not supposed to turn the switch off. But if anybody knows how to make her go to
Mommy,
sleep,
I'm hungry.
please leave it in the comments.
It's time for a drink, please. Time for milk, please. Is this your
You gotta
milk?
touch the 2 metal things in there. And again, if yours isn't working, look for some rust or corrosion. This is an old doll. So if you have a little bit of rust or corrosion, it doesn't hurt to scrape those little prongs, especially in her mouth. Who knows how many little girls put real milk in there? She's drinking.
Mommy, I'm thirsty.
Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Good luck fixing your doll.
How do you eat?
Not real hard to do that. Just gonna show you guys real quick, please. Alright, if you landed on this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix your Amazing Amy doll. If your problem is that when you put it in and you see this little heart and it's got a little like sleep
Mommy,
timer on
I
it.
want a drink, please.
When we got it, she wasn't talking. You'd put all her toys in her mouth and stuff like that, and she wouldn't do anything. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened, the really common problem, and it was on both arms. The wires were cut inside of here. So what we did is we flipped her over.
It's time for a drink, please.
You're not supposed to ever turn this off, and put new batteries in it. The yellow wires go to the hands, and they were cut. So what we did is I cut it open. This thing unscrews. Let me show you. I got that in place, and you see what's happening. All that does is turn. So I have to click that back together. I can't do it with one hand, but anyways. So you put that back together. You're gonna have to either glue or re-sew this when you get it in there. Look for broken wires. That's the most common problem. She did come in a box, and she's got a bunch of dolls. I think this version is from 1998, and they might have came out with one that talks, that can read your voice or something. I'm also gonna tell you guys how I got in there. There's these little brackets. So what we did is unscrew the bracket on the left and the right. You had 3 little Phillips screws, and when we did that, we were able to pop the bottom out like that, and that's how we got inside of there. And we did have to cut a little hole in the fabric in there, but we're gonna put her together, and the kids are gonna play with her. Comes with a lot of accessories. I'm also gonna put the Amazing Amy, what is this thing called right here? Instruction manual, because there are probably not a lot of them out there. So let me just skim over this for you guys real quick, and you can pause it if you need to. So again, if your Amazing Amy doll is not responding and all you see is that little timer, that is most likely the reason you have some cut wires.
No way, Mommy.
And when you squeeze her fingers, or I'm sorry, when you squeeze her hand, you're actually squeezing this button in here. So one of ours had a cut wire right here also, so check on that. So we had that's our glob of solder that we used. If you guys don't solder, there's a soldering gun. So all you gotta touch it and make it get hot. And then we have shrink tube here where the 2 pieces also broke off. Most commonly it's gonna be broken here, but we also had a third where the button was. So every time you squeeze that, you should hear something. And that's probably why your doll is not waking up when she's sleeping. Again, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out fix your amazing Amy doll. And I'll also put these other side of the instructions. I don't know if these mean anything, but I'll put them on there for you guys. I don't expect a lot of people to watch this video, but if I can help a few people, that'll be good. Right, Mila? There's probably about 100 people with a broken doll in every state in America. Go fix that doll. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Time for juice.
Okay, let's give her some juice. For you guys who don't need any more help, it's fine, but we're going to show you guys. Here's her juice. Where's that milk?
I don't know.
She doing anything? Move it around.
I'm thirsty. I want some juice.
That might be milk.
Tastes like milk. Is this your
You gotta
milk?
touch the two metal things in there. And again, if yours isn't working, look for some rust or corrosion. This is an old doll. So if you have a little bit of rust or corrosion, it doesn't hurt to scrape those little prongs, especially in her mouth. Who knows how many little girls put real milk in there? She's drinking.
Mommy, I'm thirsty.
Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Good luck fixing your doll.
How do you eat?
Not real hard to do that. Just gonna show you guys real quick these.
What?